Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable memory integrity in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your search bar and type down core isolation, just like this one right here. Again, core isolation, and just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, just basically toggle this on. Okay, click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now, if it says here, or you got this error, memory integrity can't be turned on, there's actually two reasons why that is. Okay, so first one is you're using a virtual machine, and the second one, you don't have the compatible driver or device for this. So go ahead and find your search bar and type down regedit, okay, or the registry editor. Click on run as an administrator right here. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now we're going to find the HKey local machine right here, and then find system. After the system, we have current control set. Find it, click on the drop down, and then type or click on control. And then under control, we're going to find a device guard. Okay, so find it right here, click on the drop down. Here we have scenarios. You should be able to see hypervisor enforced code integrity. Okay, if you can find it, again, it's a DWORD value, 32-bit. Then it's named hypervisor enforced code integrity. Okay, it will be named like that. So just double click on it, set the value to 1, leave it to hexadecimal, hit on OK. Now close this one, restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. And other options, you might want to install updates for your BIOS. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, just go ahead and look it up online. But that's just basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.